Yes, we are back again with this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 12th, 2020. The third Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku, and this will be number 1516. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so we have an indication of the difficulty level. The previous one, a 2-star Sudoku, has 26, so probably this one has 25. Let me check. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 2 is 16. Did I make a mistake? 2, 6, 8, 12, 14, 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is 20. 25 we have here. Correct. Total of 25. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here we have a 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and the 7, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the 8 in this row? And 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there and the 7 goes there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then  How about the number we have do we have a pair? Yes, we have a pair in this big square. Look, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this row, so no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 and a 9 in this column, so no 8 and a 9 in that box. So the 8 and the 9, I mark them for you. 8 and 9 are in these 2 boxes. 3. So we have here 3 missing numbers now. Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 7. 3, 4, 7. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. So these 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 7 as a pair. Let me mark them for you. The 3 stars or the 4 stars, there are a lot of pairs if it's really a 3-star or 4 stars puzzle. Anyway, so now 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8 are missing. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 6 and the 8. Yeah. In this row, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this big square, so no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers should be 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 6 is missing. 3, 6, and the 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3, 6, and 8. 3, 6, and 8. 1, 2. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 7. No. Let me see. We have a 9 in this column, a 9 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 9 should be there. Then 5, 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here also a 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 7. 7. How about the number? Yeah, which number can I use? Yeah. 4. Yes, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing 2 of those missing numbers in the first column are the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this big square, so no 1 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 here in this row, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this column, the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 4. 6, 8. 6, 8 and 6, 8 and 7. Alright. And now 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 5. 1, 4, 5. I see here 1 and a 5. So no 1 and a 5 in this box. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4. 1 and a 5 are left. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes in there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. And now 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 4 and 3, I believe. Yes, we have a 4 here in this big square, so no 4 in this box. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 8 and the 6. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. I will continue. It will be a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.